welcome to the computer class. Today we are going to start with chapter 4, working on text and settings in MS Word part 5. In this chapter we are going to study about adjust the line spacing between text or paragraphs, change the line spacing before or after paragraph, and change page margins. So let's begin. Let us know about adjust the line spacing between text or paragraphs. Do you know, children, what is line spacing? Line spacing determines the amount of vertical space between the lines of text in a paragraph. And let us know about the paragraph spacing. Paragraph spacing determines the amount of space above or below a paragraph. Let us know about how to use a style set to change line spacing for an entire document. Children, if you want to change the line spacing for an entire document, let us see the steps. On the Home tab in the Style group, click Change Style. In the Word document, suppose this is your Word document, you have to click on this Home tab. Various tools will be appeared. From that, you have to select Style group. This part is called the Style group. From this Style group, click on Change Style. This part is Change Style tool. Point to Style Set and point to the various style sets using the live preview. Notice how the line spacing changes from one style set to the next. From here, select the Change Style option. When you click on Change Styles, a sublist will be appeared. From that, you have to select Style Set option. When you click on Style Set option, again a sublist will be appeared. From this list, you have to select according to your desired need. According to your desired need, select any one option and see the preview in your document. In this way, you can set the line spacing for an entire document. Now children, let us know about the change the line spacing in a portion of the document. If you want to change the line spacing in a portion of the document, let us see the steps. Select the paragraph for which you want to change the line spacing. For example, with the help of mouse, I have selected this much part. After that, you have to click on Home tab. In the paragraph group, click Line Spacing option. In this picture, this is your Home tab. Click on this Home tab. And this is your paragraph. This part is called the paragraph group. From here, you have to click on this button is called the line spacing button. Click on this line spacing button. After that, do one of the following. Click the number of line spacing that you want. From this part, you have to select any one according to your need, or click the line spacing option and then select the option that you want under spacing. And if you want to do the changes from this option, click on the line spacing option. When you click on this line spacing option, a line spacing dialog box will be appear on the screen, and do the desired setting from this dialog box. In this way, you can change the spacing in a portion of the document. Now if you want to change the spacing before and after paragraphs, let us see the steps. On the Home tab in the Styles group, click Change Styles. In your document, click on this Home tab. When you click on Home tab, tools will be appeared. From that, go on Style group. This part is called the Style group. Click on the Style group and click Change Styles. This is known as the Change Style option. Click on this Change Style option. When you click on this Change Style option, a sublist will be appeared. From that sublist, you have to select the style set. When you select the style set, again a submenu will be appeared. From that submenu, you have to select any one option and see the preview on your document. When you see spacing that you like, click the name of the style set. After seeing the preview, click the name of the style set. Suppose here I have selected the simple style set. Change the spacing before and after paragraphs, selected paragraphs. If you want to change the spacing before and after paragraphs and selected paragraphs, let us see the steps. Suppose this is your document file. From here, first select the paragraph. Suppose I have selected this much paragraph. Select the paragraph before or after which you want to change the spacing. Now, on the page layout tab in the paragraph group, under spacing, click the arrow next to before or after and enter the amount of space that you want. See in this picture, this is the page layout tab. In the page layout tab, go on paragraph group. This part is called the paragraph group. From here, under spacing option, this is the spacing option. Click the arrow. This is the arrow. Click this arrow next to before and or after and enter the amount of space that you want here with the help of this arrow and or enter the amount of space that you want. In this way, you can change the spacing before and after the paragraphs or selected paragraphs. Now let us know about the page margins. Page margins are the blank space around the edges of the page. Children, you can change the page margins either by choosing from one of Word's predefined settings in the margins gallery or by creating custom margins. Now let us know the steps to choose page margin using predefined settings. On the page layout tab in the page setup group, click margins. The margins gallery appears. In this figure, this is your page layout tab. Click on this page layout tab and go on page setup group. This part is called the page setup group. From this page setup group, you have to click on this margin option. Click on this margin option. When you click on margins option, the margins gallery appears. This is the margin gallery. From this margin gallery, select the margin type that you want to apply in your document. Now let us know about the create custom page margin settings. On the page layout tab in the page setup group, click margins. This is the page layout tab. Go on page setup group. This part is called the page setup group. From this page setup group, you have to click on this margin button. When you click on this margin button, the margin gallery appears. This box is called the margin gallery. On this margin gallery, at the bottom of the margin gallery, click the custom margins. This is your custom margin option. Click on this custom margin option. The page setup dialog box will be appeared. This is the page setup dialog box. From here, you select the desired margin amount you want and create a custom page margin settings. It's all for today. We will see the practical session of this part. Till then, bye bye.